Okay, so we are going to shovel the snow and he's going to snow blow it.
Yeah.
And there's a lot.
Yeah, you're gonna look outside. We haven't gone outside yet, but it just snowed in Rhode Island. First snow, like major snow of 2025, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna open that garage door and see what happens. Go ahead, open up that one. We'll leave this one shut.
Oh my.
See, look at this. It's a decent amount of snow there, so I'll put this right over here. All right. All right, I'm gonna do a strip down. Alex, I'm gonna go straight down, okay? Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our batteries in. We already have that from last night. Alright, there's some snow flying. Let's see how that's gonna do. You know what? I'm gonna go straight for now. Head.
Yeah.
Come up.
All right, Ken is coming. Go over here, come quick. They're trying to not crash. But the problem is, hey! Go, 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 go!
Okay, we just made it. How are you feeling?
Tired.
That's how I feel. Walking up this.
Camera guy. Woo! I'll make sure things are safe. First, let me down. Nice, Grace. I
You guys need to get to the crest of the hill. Alright, ready? Here.
Help us.
Yeah, ready? Ready, Alex? Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, once you get off. Well, at least the fence will stop you now.
Yeah, we should try. Whoa! Go to the fence! Whoa! Ah! We're gonna go up! Whoa! 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 Fence! How dare you storm these? Watch the rotten egg! I know I'm trying to make it. Wait! Yep. Wait! Let's go! My thing. Forward approaching! I took twig! I took twig! I took twig! I took twig! Guys, guess what? You are running the oh shit! Okay, here I go, tumbles.
Oh, that's scary.
I could have just done that. I'm still gonna jump on.
Okay, go ahead. You jump and I'll brush that. Oh God, you guys are so heavy.
Oh God, the tube! Oh, the tube! Oh! Is my tube okay?